Exercise 23. Write a program that asks the user to enter a number. The program should repeatedly divide the number by 2 until the result is less than 1. The program should then print the number of divisions performed. Okay. So user num equals int, or you can make it float, input please enter a number. Then let's look at that again. The program should repeatedly divide the number by 2 until the result is less than 1. Okay. So we have a result which initially should be greater than 1. It can be any number, doesn't matter for now. So while result is greater than 1, result equals user num divided by 2. Okay. The program should then print the number of divisions performed. So let's first just start with this, so we see when it's done. And also want to know what result was at the end, just for now. So if we run that, enter a number, let's say 8. Uh-oh. Now, I created an endless loop because this will just keep dividing 8 divided by 2 endlessly. So I had to interrupt the program. Now, what I need to do is to add here that user num equals result. That should do it. So that the result of this division now becomes our new user number, or the number which we're using here. Let's test it. 8 once again. Oh, and there we are. Let's try it again. Oh, sorry. Let's start 15. Okay. So now it goes below 1, but it gets out of the loop. Or let's see. The instructions say, well, until the result is less than 1, which is fine then. So when the result becomes less than 1, then it gets out of the loop. Alright? So we're supposed to print the number of divisions performed. So we need a variable for that. Number of divisions is 0, and then each time it divides, number of divisions is increased by 1. Okay. The final number is result, and number of divisions is number of divisions, numdivs. So let's try that. We start with 8 again. So it says final number is 1, number of divisions 3. That means it became 4, 2, and 1. Alright. Can test it again. Let's say 27. Final number is that one. Number of divisions 5. So that should be 13. Actually, we can check those numbers. Print result. So if we run that, 27. Number of divisions 5, and there are these ones: 13.5, 6.75, 3, 4, 5 of them. Alright. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please like, please share, please subscribe, and see you in the next exercise.